In this video, I show you our activity logbook and how you can work with it. The activity logbook is a super detailed list of all the activities that happened on the board. For me, as a workshop facilitator, it is super useful that I am able to restore deleted objects. So objects other people deleted and I can easily restore them. A detailed list of activities show you who has done what on the board, and that's so useful. As the board owner, you can switch it on and off here when you create the board. To do this for an existing board, go to your dashboard and click on the arrow on the far right. And now you can choose on and off. The access for users with facilitator role are edit and read, and users with editor rights can only read the activity logbook. You can find it in the upper right corner of Collaboard on the three dots menu here, and just click on the activity logbook button. Now you can see the activities of individual users sorted by date. You can also filter by user to see all activities of the individual user. Now I show you how to easily restore deleted objects. In this example, I delete these sticky notes. And in the activity logbook, you can see now that 5 objects have been deleted here. You can restore the objects with this symbol and they appear on the board again. If you are currently at another place on the board, you can also click here and jump there immediately. Have fun with our activity logbook.